Good evening.
Good evening.
Can we meet you, sir?
Yeah, this is Nature Man Bob Jacob.
Yeah, Nature Man Bob J.
Bob Jacob.
Okay, Bob Jacob. Okay, Mr. Nature Man Bob Jacob, what are you here for?
Yeah, I'm here for Sewa talent hunt.
Wow, what do you have to showcase as your talent for us today?
I'm a musician.
Wow, literally you are here to sing.
Yes.
Wow, we are very, very happy. And on behalf of the House of Sewa, we wish you the very best of luck for today.
Thank you.
Sewa talent hunt.
My name is Nature Man Bob Jacob.
Oi.
A reggae artist.
Oh, a reggae artist. Oh, the surprise. You can do the reggae thing. Can we listen now?
Arrival, arrival, arrival. Waiting for your arrival. Arrival, arrival, arrival. I'm waiting for your arrival. Arrival, arrival, arrival. I'm waiting for your arrival. Arrival, arrival, arrival. I'm waiting for your arrival. Tell me when you're coming home. I will be ready. Tell me when you're coming home, my baby. Tell me when you're coming home. I will be waiting for you. Tell me when you're coming home, coming home. Yeah. Oh, sweet home, oh, sweet home.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Oh, sweet home.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you very much, sir.
The advice is try to build in your message almost at the beginning, because the good soup is in the eating.
Yeah, and your voice was really nice as well.
But you make use of your body, liberate yourself. So, any other thing?
Make his lyrics more pronounced.
Exactly. More distinct. Let people hear your lyrics.
Oh.
Thank you very much. Congratulations. Next, 21 or 21. Is he still ready?
Sewa talent hunt.
Yes, this Nature Man Bob Jacob. This is my number 20. Please, I need your support. Vote for me.
Sewa talent hunt. To vote your favorite participant, log on to www.sewaentertainment.com and click on talent hunt voting, and you'll be redirected to where you vote your preferred participant.